Hi there, thanks for tuning into the iPro Technical Support channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install our new U-Series camera. The U-Series is part of our utility model lineup. These are entry-level cameras, and they support 2 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 4K resolution. But the new U-Series isn't just basic. It comes with some great new features. First, AI functionality. We now have AI models. The AI models include AI VMD, that's AI video motion detection, as a standard feature. Second, advanced cybersecurity. These cameras meet the FIPS 143 Level 3 standard, and they also support secure boot. By the end of this video, you will know how to install the new U-Series camera, step by step. Alright, let's get started. On this channel, we share all kinds of help videos like installation guide, unboxing videos, and setup tutorials. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.